Hey everybody, it's me. I just wanted to show you how to log into Typing Agent for first and second grades. Okay, the first thing that you'll want to do is go to the North Andrew homepage. Remember, whenever you open up Google, if you click right there where the house is, right there, boom, it's going to take you to northandrew.org. Then from there, you're going to be able to see Student. Click there. You're going to go down to Web Resources. So go ahead and do that now. Once you click on it, it's going to look familiar. We've all been there before. So go ahead and click on it. Okay, you may already have this page bookmarked up here somewhere. Okay, if you don't, it might be a good idea to click right there. Okay, it looks like this one is right there. Okay, so the next one we're going to go to is Typing Agent. So click on that. Okay, if you don't have it bookmarked, remember you go up here to the little star, click on it. I'm going to say Login Typing Agent, and we're going to click Done. So now it's up here. So every week after this, whenever I say Login to Typing Agent, you just click right there. Okay, so for first and second grades, all you have to do is go over here where it says Sign In with Google. Okay, you click Sign In with Google, and you're gonna find your name. Okay, this isn't your name, but you'll find your name, and click on it. Once you click on it, you're gonna get to this page. This is Typing Agent. Okay, there's a lot of fun stuff to be done in here. The first thing that we're going to do is go to Keyboarding Foundations K through 2. We're going to start climbing up that mountain. Okay, so go ahead and click. Okay, the first thing you're going to have to do is a test. It's just a pre-test to see how fast you can type. So you go, it says take the test and do your best. So you click on there, and then it's going to tell you what to do. So do you see down there at the bottom there's a keyboard right here? Okay, you can see through some invisible transparent fingers. And you've got your fingers on the F, the D, the S, and the A, and your other fingers are on the J, the K, the L, and the semicolon. You're going to take your finger down to type the M. And do you see that your thumbs are down there? You can use either one for the space bar. Okay, so you'll have your fingers on the A, S, D, F, J, K, L, and semicolon. You can feel on the F and the J there's little bumps. That's so that you don't even have to look. Okay, don't look underneath your fingers. That's really hard to do. Okay, but it is really easy to look on the screen because those are kind of invisible and you can see through them. So you're going to type M, and then you can see that the finger moved up to the Y, and then the space bar is blue, and the G, and then the I is with your middle finger. Do you see that? I, and then A, and then N, and you keep going until that progress goes from 2% all the way up to 100. Do you see that the WPM is for words per minute and the ACC is for accuracy? So WPM is how fast you type, and ACC, accuracy, is for how much you got correct. So your percentage corrected right now is 100%. So you keep typing until you make it all the way through. Okay, so whenever you're done, I'm going to show you. Once you're done with your diagnostic test, it's going to open this little box up and it'll turn blue. It says Mountain 1, learn to type. So you'll click here. And it says click anywhere to continue. So just click with your mouse.
Put your helmet on. Safety first.
Okay.
It's time for a race.
So the first one that you're going to have to do
X and Z
is 0. You're going to have to click on 0. And if you remember, and to click Start, that's where we work on using our mouse. So there's going to be some stuff to discuss where to go with our mouse.
Hey, adventurer!
It says, hey, adventurer, let's learn how to use the mouse. Now, your mouse does not have 2 buttons. So you're going to go over here
that matches yours.
because yours only has 1 click, and you click on it.
This is your computer mouse. You use your mouse to point to things on your
and you'll listen to the little floating robot. Then you're going to pay attention.
Now try using your mouse to move the pointer. Use the mouse to move
you're going to follow the directions from here. So it says move your pointer.
The computer screen. You're a mouse professional.
And then make sure that you always go to the next button. Okay, so whenever you're done with that one, it's going to take you to number 1. And then it says learn to type key skills. And you're going to be on your own to go learn how to do things.
Start.
You're going to try to find the start button.
Hi, my name is Felix.
And Felix is going to walk us through how to have good posture whenever we type.
Check out Kim's perfect keyboarding. Next, keep your back straight, head up,
Back straight,
and eyes
head
on the
up,
screen.
eyes on the screen,
Keep
not
your feet
down
flat on
here.
the floor.
Feet on the
Next,
floor,
your keyboard, wrists,
stuff like
and
that.
elbows.
Hey, and once you learn posture with Felix, you're going to go to next and continue to the next lesson, and then you're going to listen to the robot on where to put your fingers, and then you can see here that it's yellow. Where it's yellow, you're going to type. So it says with your hands,
Press
type.
the J key.
Press the J
with
key.
your- Press the space key. Great job.
And then you're just going to follow
You are
along.
getting the hang of
Now,
this.
the only tricky thing
We are
is
now
if
ready for
you're
Remove the Stain from
if you
Professor
lose
Porteous's
part
book.
of the window and you can't see those letters up there at the top, you may have to take your two fingers and slide and scroll up, because every once in a while they're hidden. So from here you just type the letters. And if you don't see these letters, you're gonna have to scroll, but you can see them on my screen. Let's see if I can make it not. Yeah. So if you make a mistake, you can see that it's gonna go beep beep red. Now let's see if I can. Yours may look like this, and if it looks like that, you're gonna have to take your fingers or your mouse and you're gonna have to scroll up so that you can see them. Good luck. Hopefully I'll be back next week. Bye guys, I miss you so much.